What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making air fryer homemade tater tots. These are actually so quick and easy to make, and they are so much healthier for you than those frozen store-bought tots. So let's get started. So first, take cold water and add it to a saucepan on medium-high heat. You want to add enough water to where it will completely fill 2 potatoes or 1.5 pounds of russet potatoes. So then you're going to take those potatoes and bring that heat to boiling and parboil the potatoes. You want to boil the potatoes for about 6 to 12 minutes. And the way you can test if these potatoes are done is you can stick a fork in them, and you should be able to tell that the potato is easy to pierce on the outside, but the inside is still firm. You don't want that potato to fully cook through. And so then take the large side of a cheese grater and grate those potatoes. You want to get them to be a nice shredded consistency so that they are great for binding. And then take your shredded potatoes and add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, and then salt and pepper to taste. You want to really salt these really well because russet potatoes are really bland. So if you want these to have flavor, then make sure you add plenty of salt. And then take your hands and mold and form the tots. And then add those tots to your air fryer basket and spritz them with a little bit of oil. I like to use olive oil. And then air fry those tots on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Open them up, flip the tots, and then you're going to air fry them again on 400 degrees for an additional 5 minutes or until the tots are completely crisp. And there you have it, homemade air fryer tater tots.